The parliamentary opposition is again questioning the effectiveness of the zones of special operations in curtailing crime. Prime Minister Andrew Holness told Parliament yesterday that both zones in Mount Salem St. James and Denham Town Kingston have been crime-free. However, opposition Member of Parliament Dr. Wickham McNeil argued that crime is rampant in some areas close to the zone and in other parishes.
If you have 200 police and soldiers in there, there'll be no crime in those zones. But everywhere else over the country, the crime has gone up, murder has gone up. There's no crime in Mount Salem. But yet you go 1 mile down the road and the killing of man coming out of barber shop and people being raped around the corner, and crime is rampant everywhere else except for in that 1/4 square mile. It cannot continue like this.
We are arguing as if there is no not existing budget to fight crime and existing police resources outside of what was recently allocated to the zones.
Both zones of special operations have been extended for another 60 days. The Ministry of National Security has been given more money to help fight crime.